Hey, Matt here with 911R on Brain Trailer. We have this 94, really special 964 hitting here in the next few hours. This car is what they call an M491 factory wide body. So it's the same body as the turbo cars, you know, the same factory flares, front and rear, and that really makes this car special. You know, there was not very many of them. I believe it's like 251 cars. This car is done in midnight blue, which is really a spectacular color on this car. It kind of changes depending on the light. It can be darker, it can be black, it can have a little bit of purple sometimes when it has a light to it, but it's just a stunning color. On the inside, it's done with a beautiful light gray interior, and it's got factory sports seats in the car. These are fabulous, one of the best, most comfortable seats there ever was. Lots of support, easy to live with, easy getting out. It's got a beautiful 935 style steering wheel. Everything on this car has all been gone through. The paint on the car is spectacular, and just not to find a nicer one of these, I think, at this time. Going through, you can see the engine bay is very proper. AC blows cold. It has a Porsche PCCM stereo system in it, the Porsche Classic stereo. The correct Porsche Cup 1 wheels. I love this wheel. I think it's one of the best looking wheels. You know, definitely, probably second to the original Fuchs, but that's a beautiful wheel. I'm pretty fond of these cars. I personally have a white 94 M491 964 is my personal car. You know, that shows you how much I really like them. You know, if you have any questions, please use the contact seller button. If you're interested in consigning a car with 911R, hit us up as well. And good luck.